Number okay. Must everything you do makes me want to smile, and I like it for a while. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, you're welcome, you're welcome. And the old subscribers, how you guys doing? Hope you had Valentine gift this Valentine season. Okay, I'm really sorry. I'm going to be using audio today. You won't see my lovely face because I've been lazy to sit down in front of the camera. To first of all make up and sit down in front of the camera to make videos. But don't worry. So today's video, we're going to be talking about the usual karaoke. So the usual karaoke is located at the first floor, the Lakeview Plaza, opposite Jabi Recreational Park. I don't know if you guys know Jabi Recreational Park, the popular Jabi Park or Jabi Garden. So what did they do there? It's a combination of both games, karaoke and restaurant at the same time. So the first time I went there, I made a mistake. I went up the third floor where they have the Coco Cafe and the Aldo's restaurant. I was lost. I was looking for where the usual karaoke was. So you have me now. You won't make the same mistake I made. So I went up the third floor, and then later on I called my friend and she told me where the usual karaoke was, which was the first floor. So when you get to the lift, please just click on, or rather just press the first floor, like floor 1, and then it will take you. Once you come out from the lift, it's by your left. So the usual karaoke is by your left. It's a new place. So it's the day I went, it wasn't crowded. I've gone there like 3 or 4 times because I really love the place. It's affordable, it's neat, less crowd, and it's just a place for you to just go and relax after a long stressful day. So I also love the management, or rather the staff. They are quite nice, friendly. They even volunteer to take pictures for you, and they just make you feel relaxed. And I don't know, it's just a very calm place to be. Celebrating your birthday there, they get to put your picture up, so they give you all the attention you need. But in every place there's always something good about them, and there's something not really good. So what I would say about the usual karaoke is that they don't have Nigerian music. When I say Nigerian music, like karaoke for Nigerians, like Nigerian music for you to sing to, because sometimes I just want to vibe to Two-Face, P Square, all the old Whiskey, Davido, and they only have foreign music. So I think with time, because they are just new, they'll get the whole music joined together. But apart from that, it's just an amazing place. The food is affordable. They have, in case you want to do the whole shisha, it's there. A milkshake, alcohol, food, like food for all the foodies. So I don't really have much to say. So let's just go on to the tour and just check the place out.
what you did, but I hate it. You know exactly what to do. And I understand hurt you, but so long that's wrong. But I hate it. You know exactly how to turn, so that I can't stand up to fight no more. So I despise that I adore, and I hate how much I love you for it. How much I love you, how much I need you, how much I love you, how much I need you, and I hate that I love you so.
That was one of the best voices in Africa. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Hope this video was helpful and descriptive enough. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, feedback, comments, please leave it in the comment section below. And follow me on IG to discover new places. My IG handle is @outandabout_mo. See you guys soon. Salut!